All right, and if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
Let's roll, nerds. Welcome back to Time Served, the channel that's like so you don't have to. Darling, a word of advice when Judge Boyd asks you if you're going to come up clean, please do yourself a favor and tell the truth. It may save you an embarrassing moment on Time Served and a thumbnail with you and the bailiff. Hindsight is 20/20 here, but at least it would have given her a fighting chance. Tell us how you feel about this case by commenting down below. We love hearing from you. Like and subscribe. Set your notifications to all. Let's roll, nerds.
All right, who's here on Desiree Castro? If you'll come forward, please.
Yes, take care.
Probation, this is an application. State versus Desiree Castro. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
I think for the state.
Luis Martinez on behalf of Ms. Castro.
And are you Ms. Castro?
Yes, you are.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I did, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Castro, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Judge, we are waiving count 1 and proceeding on count 2. And regarding count 2, we are proceeding on the lesser included offense of kidnapping.
Any objection?
No objection, Judge.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
All right, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of kidnapping as a third-degree felony. Range of punishment, it is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We're prepared to proceed today, Judge.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, we asked the court to accept the plea bargain. We've done a lot of work with the state negotiations and then speaking with the complainants and evaluating the cases and the attempting to parse the responsibility of all the alleged co-actors or indicted co-actors. And so after all that work, we've come to this as a compromise agreement that we believe is fair to all the parties. We're asking the court to accept.
All right, and if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
I'm sorry?
If you are drug tested today, what will your results be?
Clean.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
All right, so do you want to do a drug test now?
I can, yes.
All right. Well, I'm going to send her for a drug test and we'll come back with sentencing.
Okay.
Can you, talk to Ms. Abrams? She'll tell you where you need to go.
Yes, ma'am.
Judge,
All right, thank you.
Judge, I've got another matter on another client for a bond condition.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Many unbearable hours later.
All right. Are you all ready on Castro?
We're
All right, we're back on the record in 2024 CR 011272. State versus Desiree Castro.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And for the state,
It was Megan Galloway, Judge. You'd already taken her plea, so you'd
Yes.
excuse them.
I can stand in it, that's
all right, if you'll just announce for the record and then you can be excused.
Melissa Alvin, Fifth State.
And for the defense?
Luis Martinez on behalf of.
All right, so we're back for sentencing. Is there anything that needs to be discussed?
Oh, Judge, unfortunately for Ms. Castro, there was a positive UA for both THC and for benzo, essentially for Xanax and for THC.
Okay.
So we do need to address that issue because that's gonna, in either event, there was a joint recommendation for a TAP. I think that would have been appropriate regardless.
Okay.
I think the court can tell from the steps that there have been some lifestyle choices that she needs to start adjusting and making her decisions with regard to.
Mhm.
And we hope that her getting on probation is going to allow her, number one, the structure, and two, the motivation to make those decisions and put herself in a better position.
All right. Do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
What are their ages?
She's 6 years old.
And who does she stay with?
She stays with me and also her grandma. We go back and forth. Like, we share custody, basically.
And is Child Protective Services involved?
No,
No, she stays with her grandma during the weekend and me on the weekends.
All right. And are you employed?
No, not currently.
So how do you
I was-
support yourself?
I was employed at a vape shop, but we were getting robbed, so they had fired me. But I have a boyfriend who helps me out with groceries and stuff like that I help out with my parents. I'll just tell my mom, hey, this is what I want from the grocery store, and help out with groceries for my daughter. But other than that, I do stay with my stepdad and my mom.
I know that she has expressed concern as far as getting employment lined up that's not in a place like a vape shop. Obviously, there's going to be some issues doing that. She's been on GPS monitoring, so that's been an issue as well. But any kind of job counseling, any kind of services in those regards, that's something that she's amenable to and something she's hoping to get.
How far did you go in school?
I graduated high school. I got a diploma. And then I had my daughter the year after I graduated, or 2 years after I graduated, actually.
All right, this is what the court's going to do. There's a $2,000 fine that'll be prorated, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, 6 years deferred adjudication, proof of employment within 45 days, no employment as a home health care provider with minors or in vape shops, field visits 1 time per month until further notice, 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once that's completed, 100 hours will be deemed satisfied. And then you can either do the remaining 100 hours or either obtain higher level education or either some sort of certification in trade school. There's to be no contact with Sophia Martinez, Isabel Paquino, Carly Green, Mariana Barnes, the MRT. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors until further notice. The following will take place in custody. There's to be a referral to felony drug court. There's to be a TAP evaluation. If not accepted in felony drug court, follow TAP recommendations. And there's to be 40 sober meetings in 40 days. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court?
No.
All right, yes,
And I, of course, have to ask, does that mean the court intends to take her into custody today?
yes.
Okay.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we can go off the record. If she's honest with felony drug court will probably accept her, and their evaluation will probably be at the latest on Monday or Tuesday. If she's not honest with them, then they won't accept her, and she'll have to wait for the TAP evaluation in custody and whatever their recommendations are. All right.
So we hopefully see them on this. The evaluation will accept you.
I already talked to you. Do you have your family?
Sure.
Yeah.